In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a chart to your design in Canva. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Go ahead and open the design in Canva where you want to place your chart. This could be a presentation slide, a report page, a social media graphic, or any layout where you want to visualize data more clearly. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of the Canva editor. You'll see a vertical menu with different options like templates, elements, text, and so on. Start by clicking on the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps most of the building blocks you can add to your design, including graphics, shapes, and in this case, charts and chart-related apps. After you click Elements, you'll notice a search bar near the top of that panel. Click inside that search bar and type the word InChart as one word. This will help you find a specific chart tool or integration available inside Canva. Give it a second to load the results. You should now see an option related to InChart appear in the list below the search bar. When you see it, go ahead and click on it. This will usually open either a small app window or a section with more options and templates tied to that chart tool. If it doesn't open right away, make sure you've actually selected the right item from the search results and not just a regular graphic. Once the InChart option is open, you'll be able to select the specific chart style or data source you want to use. Take a moment here to look at what's available and choose the chart type that best matches your data, whether that's a bar chart, line chart, pie chart, or something similar. Click to select the one you want to work with. Now, look back to the left side of the screen, still within that InChart area or app panel. You should see controls or options related to bringing your chart into Canva. Find the button or link labeled Import. When you're ready, click on Import. This will pull your chosen chart into your current design. After importing, the chart should appear directly on your canvas. You can then move it, resize it, and customize it just like any other Canva element, adjusting colors, fonts, and labels so it matches the rest of your design.